would be nice if I could remove all your stresses. I'm a healer. As a main occupation, come lay down and show me what you're facing. You can rest your head on my breast, just like mama did. I'ma comfort you the best. Let me soothe you with a little melody. Give you everything that I have inside of me. And I'll try never to desert you, cause you know what all of that emotional hurt do. Create a whole lot of mess in your heart. So come enjoy this, but play it smart. Always ask you all the right type of questions that you answer yourself and find your own message. And when there's nothing left to be said, well, come and unwind yourself in my bed. And I promise I can take it real slow, dodge all obstacles that hit us on the road, just to make sure that you're alright. If needed, then up my fist and fight. But let me soothe you with a little melody. Give you everything that I have inside of me. So come along and don't be afraid. I ain't crazy, just a bit insane. And yo, I guarantee your satisfaction, cause I'm doing on top of your main attraction. Second so late, twist and turn, flexible is best though. So I've heard in secrets, I'll take them, keep them, seal them. Nothing out my mouth, I ain't squealing. And I know that you do the same for me, cause we're the master class in pickleball team and go down and dirty. And even like you, almost like I gotta really die for you, but then it hits you. You'll always be third, right after my music and my